Sarah and Jake decide to take a hike through the forest. They come across a beautiful meadow filled with lovely wildflowers. They take a moment to sit and enjoy the scenery. This meadow is so beautiful. It's like a dream, Sarah said. The flowers are so colorful and fragrant. Jake, it's like a hidden gem in the middle of the forest. It's so peaceful here. I can hear the birds singing and the gentle breeze blowing through the flowers. As they sit and take in the natural beauty around them, they notice a family of deer grazing nearby. They watch in awe as the deer gracefully moves through the meadow. Look, Jake, a family of deer. They're so gentle and graceful. It's amazing to see them in their natural habitat. It's like we're part of the forest now. As they continue their hike, they come across a babbling brook. And they stop to listen to the soothing sound of the water flowing. And they watch as fish swim in the clear water. The sound of that water is so relaxing. I could sit here for hours. It's like a natural ASMR experience. I can feel all the tension leaving my body. As they sit by the brook, they notice a butterfly fluttering nearby. It lands on Sarah's shoulder, and they watch as it flies away into the distance. That was such a magical moment. It felt like the butterfly was a sign of good luck. It's moments like these that make me appreciate the beauty of nature. I'm glad we decided to take this hike, Sarah. As they continue walking, they find this clearing and they notice a strange glowing portal in the center. Wow, Jake, look at this. It's a portal. Where do you think it leads? I don't know, but let's check it out. As they approach the portal, they decide to step through. And as they do, they find themselves in a completely different land. The sky is a different color. Trees and plants are like, or unlike, anything they've ever seen before. This is amazing. Where do you think we are? I have no idea, but it's incredible. Look at all these strange plants and creatures. I've never seen anything quite like this. Me neither. Absolutely amazing. As they explore this new land, they come across a peaceful waterfall. and they sit down to take in the beauty of the surroundings. This place is so peaceful. I can hear waterfalls, birds singing. It's like a real life paradise. I know. It's like nothing we've ever seen before. The sound of the waterfall is so calming, so soothing. The atmosphere around here, the tranquility of this land is unparalleled. They spend some more time exploring this strange new world, taking in the sights and sounds before eventually returning back home through the portal into the forest. That was incredible. An incredible, incredible adventure. I'm so glad we were able to find the portal. And look, it's closed again. That was amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'll never, ever forget it. I'm sad that the portal closed, but so happy. So happy to be able to experience that. As they walk back to the camp, they can't stop talking about this amazing place that they visited and how it was the perfect getaway from their daily routine.